Hi, my name is Dr. Rudra Mohan, and through the Oral Health channel, today we're going to be talking about the use of intralesional injections in the recovery of OSMF for trismus, that is restricted mouth opening. Let's start. So today I've come up with a live video where I will talk about intralesional injections. I've already published a video about intralesional injections in Hindi. I would want to talk to you about if you are a person suffering from OSMF and if you've quit the habit and you have restricted mouth opening, depending upon the case, we can give intralesional injections. It could be steroids, it could be placentrix, it could be hyaluronidase along with local anesthetic, and we have found that the mouth opening does increase. Just the only thing that we would want to talk about is that you have to make sure that whatever instructions we are giving you, such as the following of the regimen of physiotherapy, strict physiotherapy, that is 7 minutes, 7 times a day into 90 days, has to be followed, and you will see remarkable results. That's what we've seen. So here is the video showing the same. So as you can see in the video, we are giving hyaluronidase injections along with local anesthetic. What we do is we palpate the bands and we find out which is the most taut part of the band, and after palpation we give the local anesthetic and hyaluronidase injection, which is 1500 international units. We also aspire to check if there is a positive aspiration for blood, and we deposit slowly around 2 ml of local anesthetic and hyaluronidase into the band lesion. It's absolutely important to understand that physiotherapy plays the most important role in the recovery of OSMF when you are planning to go for your injections, and you have to make sure that you follow all the strict instructions to the hilt given by your dentist. It's absolutely necessary that you follow the rule of 7 into 7 into 90 of physiotherapy, where you do 7 minutes of physiotherapy 7 times a day into 90 days. So as you can see, this patient came to us with 12 mm mouth opening and it has increased with just 2 injections. We generally have to give 5 injections, each injection spaced around 15 days. And the only thing that is the most important pivotal thing in the recovery of OSMF is that, first of all, you have to understand that OSMF is not completely reversible. And also the fact that the role of physiotherapy is the ultimate thing when it comes to your recovery in OSMF. So this was today's episode. Please like, share, subscribe, and do press the bell icon button for important updates. If you want to get in touch with me, here are my social media handles. Kindly refrain from calling me directly as I might be busy with patients or otherwise. Just drop me a message on my WhatsApp number and please be patient. I'll respond to you within 3 to 4 working days and then we can have a chat. Also, whosoever is trying to message me at this point of time on WhatsApp, please state your name, your age, your location, and whatever problem that you are suffering through. And if you have any queries, doubts, apprehensions, or insights, please feel free to put them in the YouTube comment section. So that's it for today. Thank you.